Gold and silver yet again traded with modest bullishness, and I can say traded in range. Gold is yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 3250 and 3260, while silver is struggled at 3250, 3270 zone. What to expect now? See, on the downside, we have seen strong support coming in at 3205 levels. I have mentioned earlier in the day, only sell should be below 3205, while you can buy at 3222, and see beautifully it has already given you almost 150, 180 points pips. So what to expect now? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you a detailed analysis twice a day. And with every levels, we provide you the reason behind the levels and behind a particular trade. And this is the only channel to do so. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till gold on the hourly charts forming a good support here at 3605. We have seen it rising, and now see, first of all, it is trading with lower highs. It is very, very important for gold to break first 3250, 52, and then 3265 levels. If it reaches 3265, you can expect a stronger rise. Now for the last couple of candles, after this strong run, it is consolidated and now waiting for a breakout. So if you see it is staying above 3242, you can initiate a buy and expect it to move towards 3250, 52. And if that is taken, possibly we are looking forward to 32 70, 65 and 70 levels as well. Be mindful of this. This could be the breakout here. Notice it has delivered higher lows here. Notice it has delivered higher lows so far, and now after delivering higher lows, once it breaks out, the breakout move is going to be strong enough. So let's wait for it to trade beyond 3250 and 3270 zone here. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD crossed over, trading with moderate divergence, is still staying bullish. RSI rising here. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, after a bit of consolidation in 3205, it is rising now. Preceding candle at doji. Current candle, once it trades beyond 3242, we can expect 3250, 52. And in fact, 3265 and 70 level should be there. Beyond 3270, it has just to break beyond 3280, 3295. And if these levels are taken, I think gold is going to moon here towards 3324, 25. The gap here which needs to be filled, it might try to fill this gap sooner or later, if not today. Moving averages have started to converge, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising. The MACD is also crossing over again for the buys. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, what has happened? Price is taking support here. See, higher lows are seen for the two candles, reversal sign. And since then, this is the third bullish candle. Once it trades beyond 3242, 3250, 52 should be seen, and beyond this, it should be treated for a breakout towards 3265 and 70. And beyond 3270, it is going to turn extremely bullish. Very, very clear. Right now, I do not see any signs of weakness here. But yes, if you see it is staying below 3218, 16 zone, you can take a, rather I will say 3214, you can take a sell. Below 3214, you can expect 320604 as the first target. Only below 3214, it says sell here for the day, and then too it has to trade below 320604 in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is rising. Signs are still supportive for further rise. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, just it needs to trade beyond the 50 period average, which is sitting right now at 3240, and that is why I am saying 3240 should be a good entry point for us, but we have to wait for 3250, 52 to be taken in order to confirm further bullishness here. Yes, and then this breakout should invite more bulls here. Be mindful. Stochastic rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI is trading with moderate bullishness. Now coming to the daily charts. On the daily chart, see how it is traded. You can see the complete movement is engulfed between, or sandwiched between, the 20 and 50 period moving average for last a week or so. It has tried to give a breakout, but failing to stay lower, it is bounced back. Also notice now this is kind of consolidation here. You can see higher lows, lower highs. And now look at the formation here: red, green, red, green, red. So ideally this should be a green candle, and that is what is happening. See, also it is formed at almost a triple bottom, breaching below the support levels from yesterday. This suggests that possibly this might try to stay shy of the highs from yesterday, but once it breaches the highs from yesterday, we can in fact expect it to move towards 3265, 70, and then beyond this, this should be a breakout. A candle like this should emerge, which is going to take it towards 3300 and in fact 33, 24, 25, if not today, any point of time in next few sessions. Stochastic rising, the MACD is sharply bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over RSI flat. So now how beautifully and how easily, in just quick analysis, we have found out the importance of levels. We have found out why a particular level is going to be important, and if you take a trade, what should be the targets. And this is the beauty of analysis. And if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Do not miss to register for it. This is the only opportunity. This is the, see, investment is the only, you can say, learning is the only investment which can reap you profits throughout your life. Else signals channel, yes, today it's there, tomorrow it's not there. I am there today, tomorrow I'm not there. Only your learning is what will go with you throughout your life. And even if you join my signals channel, if you have enough learning, then you can make an informed and better decision, and you can understand the logic behind every trade. Thus, join the mentorship batch as be a part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And once you have safer trades in place, once you know what trade you are going to execute, it is important to have a safer place where you can execute the trades profitably with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and in fact no swap fee as well. You can find the trusted broker link in the channel and video description. Join today and enjoy the benefits. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy. See, levels to buy very clear. 32.42 is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. And if you're buying at 32.42, remember 32.50 is going to be a good resistance here, 32.50, 52. And then the most important ones will be at 32.60, 65, 70. These three levels you should watch out for. If at all gold trades beyond 32.70, close your eyes, stay bullish. 32.80 first, 32.88 second, 32.96 third, and then 33.08, 33.24, 25 will be there. See, it has consolidated, and once it starts to deliver the move, it is going to give you a stronger move here. While on the downside, where you should take a sell. Now, I'll only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 32.28. Now, once it trades below 32.28, 32.22, 20 should be the first and very strong support. Then 32.14, 32.15, the next strongest support, and if that is taken, then 32.0604. Any point of time, gold trading below 32.0604 is a clear indication of price correction here, which can take it all the way towards 31.90, 31.80 levels. And if 31.80 is taken, we are entering into correction zone for which the targets are going to be 31.60, 31.40, and 31.100. Chances of which today appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, consolidation going on here. Wait for it to give you a breakout here beyond 32.60, 70. Certainly it's a, or rather I'll say 32.60, 80. Yes, if it breaches 32.60, 80, wait for 33 and then 33.20, 25. If these levels are taken, ideally I'll be looking forward to 33.50 and 33.70, the next strongest milestone. Remember, it has also given you higher lows and the moving averages are now converging. Also lower highs are seen, so it is a consolidation. It has to break out here, and certainly beyond 32.80 is where more bullishness should prevail. The stochastic overbought, the MACD crossed over here, trading with bullishness, rising, RSI rising, signs are bullish here. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, it is retraced here and now trying to give you a breakout here. Once it trades beyond 32.60, you can, when you see the lower price above 32.60, see, earlier in the day I have asked you to buy at 32.40, and now those who have bought, it's fine. Now those who are not entered, you can buy at 32.60, expect it to move towards 32.80, 33, and then 33.25, 30. If these levels are taken, it's a breakout. It is going to rally strong. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is also rising here. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, you can see higher lows are seen. Similar observation, nothing different. One strong bullish candle, and now it is trying to break out. And now once it trades beyond 32, 60, 80, this zone is very, very critical. If you are buying at 32.60, you have to be careful at 32.80. It has to break beyond 32.80 and 33. Then you can confirm that this is a breakout, and then 33.25, 30. Very, very nearby resistances and very, very strong resistances. Moving averages starting to look upwards, signs are bullish. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a bit of rise. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, after a bit of retracement, it is bouncing back. First bullish candle, second one is arriving here, and thus once you see it staying beyond 32.60, 32.80, you can say this is a breakout here, and then 33. It has to break beyond 33. We can look forward to 33, 20, 25. Now notice, so far we have seen it trading in the box. It has to come out of this box, very clear. On the downside 31.65, on the upside 33, 20, 25. A breakout beyond 25, 30 is a clear sign of a bullish reversal where it is going to head towards 33, 50, 70. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is rising here. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. See, you can see multiple candles. Silver is just trading in a range here, neither willing to breakout, not willing to break down. See, it is just giving lower highs and a flat base here, just consolidating here. Very, very important for silver to breach beyond 3320 and 3370 levels. These levels, if silver breaches, then you can say it is a bullish reversal, because see the rise, retracement, and once it breaks out, it is going to rally towards the moon. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is rising as well. Right now it is signaling bullishness, but I will not trade this as a breakout. First it has to trade beyond 3180, then 3280, then 33 and 3325.30. If these three levels are taken, you can stay bullish for 3350, 3370, and beyond 3370 it's a reversal. Let's see which direction it gives. So you can buy here at 3260. When you see the lower price above 3260, you can initiate a buying position. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3220 levels. And if you see silver staying below 3220, stay short for 32, which is a very good support. 3180.75, which is the next strongest support. And if these supports are taken this time, I think we are going to see a breach below 3165, where the targets are going to be towards 3140.50. Chances for which appears to be less. Let's see which direction it gives this breakout. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.